Hi, okay, so on an iPhone 10, 11 and 12 and 13, you can reset the RAM in your phone by doing the following, which is pretty simple. So what you do is you go to Settings, and then you go to Accessibility, and you scroll down to Touch. And then you go up to the top and you turn on AssistiveTouch. So there it is, it's turned on now, and that little dot appears there. Once that's done, you then go back to Settings and you go to General. And once you've gone to General, you tap Shutdown. Down at the bottom. Okay, and then once you've got the slide to power off screen, you touch the AssistiveTouch button that appears, and then you hold down the home button. Okay. And once you've done that, then you'll see it resets the RAM and the enter password screen comes up. So you put in your passcode, which is, let me just put my passcode in. So you're back in, and then you want to turn off AssistiveTouch again. So you go back to Settings, you go to Accessibility. You then go to Touch, you then go to AssistiveTouch, click on that AssistiveTouch, and then you switch it off. And that's it. Now your RAM has been reset, so it will make your phone run much faster. So that's it, and I highly recommend doing it on a regular basis, because otherwise you're going to have a slow phone. Thanks very much, and if you like this, please give me a like, and also would you subscribe to my channel? Thank you. Bye, and have a very happy Christmas.